In this video, I'm gonna show you how to safely transport your art. So that way you go from a stack of paintings like this to safely transporting them to this. Let's go over our supplies really quick. You're gonna need yourself a container, more on this in just a moment. Plus you're gonna want some pipe insulation, bubble wrap sheets, and you're gonna want yourself some chipboard. Links to all the supplies you can find down in the video description below. Let's go ahead and start off with our bubble wrap. This one's self-explanatory. You want to get bubble wrap that'll obviously have a nice little pocket that can fit in your artwork. I prefer the micro bubbles as it has more surface area to cover your artwork and protect it. You want to make sure you get ones that are just slightly bigger than your artwork so that way you can fold it and wrap it around and tape it down if you need to. Next, we have chipboard. Chipboard is gonna go on the front of your canvas, but it also goes on the back of your canvas. Chipboard not only protects the front of the canvas, but it also gives you nice even distribution if there's any type of pressure that comes in contact with your art. Also, if you're the type of artist that puts your art, any type of like V stand holder that people flip through, chipboard in between each piece keeps every piece protected. Next, let's move on to our container. And I love these Instacrates. Right there, you have yourself an easy box, but we can modify this to be a little safer for art because it has these hard rails. That's where our pipe insulation comes into play. Since it already has this beautiful slit right here, we can just size it up here and start cutting it to the size that we need. So you know what that means, time for a quick montage. And here we go. Here's our final result. We've got the perfect crate for transporting our art safely. We got these beautiful bumpers that give it extra protection so nothing can bump into it. And if it does, it absorbs all of the impact, keeping your artwork safe. Plus we have the chipboard protecting everything, and each one is individually bubble wrapped. So that way when you go to your convention, your art fair, or even your gallery, everything will be perfectly protected. So now you can display it and not have to worry about damaging any of your artwork. Best part about it, it's got these beautiful little handles so you can just get up and go, just like that. If you need any more awesome tips and tricks when it comes to art or selling your art, you should go down below and leave me a comment so that way I know how to help you. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. If you need more videos right now to help you out, check out the videos to my side where you see more of my beautiful face helping you out on your art journey. I'll catch you all later, and of course, peace.